Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear judges. This is Zahra Ali from University of Sun, Department Computer Science. I'm currently student of third year, but this project was made by me in second year. Basically, I made this game. This is a snake game. I made this in Python programming language. First, I'll introduce what this game is all about. It's a snake game. To create this game, I have used Pygame module. This module is used for creating gaming videos, and then I have imported the random module. Random module is used for creating the random floats. This will be used for allocating the food locations randomly, and then I have imported the OS. OS is actually for I have used this here for reading and writing the high score. We have a text file. This text file will store the recent high score. Okay, so mixer.init, I have used it for the music that will be played in the background. So first I have these are the colors. These colors, I have explained these colors, initialized these colors to use in the game. So these three values separated by commas are these values are actually RGB, red, green, blue values. So I have created these colors first, then described the variables for the height and the width of the screen. Then we have the background image. This image is saved in the same file, and then I have loaded this image here. And then we have the game title, Snakes with Zahra. Then I have defined the text screen and plotting the snake. These are actually the rectangles, so this function is used for creating a rectangle. So first we will create it, and then we will add the functionality in it. Then we have defined welcome. The game will This loop is for actually exiting the game. When will our game exit? Our game will exit when the snake accidentally touches its own body, or either it touches the boundary of the screen. So these are the and here I have described the two buttons. These buttons are for the uh, starting the game and quitting the game. Here we have this for the here we have the functionality of that, and then we have these two buttons have the where we gave it a name of quit and go. When we'll start the game, then we will be having a screen with quit and go. Two options will be there. So when we will quit, then quit loop will be executed, and when we will click on go, then game loop will be executed. So we have here the game loop. First I have described all the variables that I'll be using next. Then we have here we have the here we have the high score. How will high score be uh, stored in the text file? So yeah, and then we have exit game, and then welcome screen. So on this here we have the x-axis and y-axis, how the snake will move and what will be its velocity and all that stuff. And we have here cheat code also. When if we while playing the game, if we click Q, then our score will be added 10 times. Normally we have if food is eaten one time, then score is incremented by +5. But if I click Q as well while playing, then our score will be incremented by +10. So this is a cheat code. Then we have here we have the color of the screen, what will be the color of screen, and high score, what will be when the game is quitted, then what will be displayed on the screen, the high score. And here this head is actually list no, it's a tuple actually. So that box will be appended by 1 whenever it touches any body that we are calling it a food. So snake will increase by 1 when it touches the food one time, and then randomly that food will be allocated somewhere else. So this is the game loop, and then yeah, it's all about the programming, and then we will have a look on our game. So I'll run it. So this is the interface of the game, the welcome screen. So when I'll click on go, the game loop will be started, and when I'll click on quit, then game will be quitted. So we will go for this button. So this was all about my project. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.